Have you ever wondered how to make money from Muncheye? Well, you're about to find out. Muncheye, a fascinating platform that's been on the rise in the world of online marketing, serves as a launchpad for upcoming product releases. It's a marketplace, a meeting point, a hub of opportunities where online marketers converge to find and promote new products that are about to hit the market. Muncheye is not just a platform, it's a community, a network of entrepreneurs and marketers who are always on the lookout for the next big thing. Here you'll find a wide array of products, from software to training courses, all waiting to be launched. And the best part? You can earn money by promoting these products. Imagine being part of a product's journey, right from its launch, and earning a commission every time someone makes a purchase through your promotion. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Today we will explore the process of making money from Muncheye. Before we delve into Muncheye, it's crucial to have a basic understanding of affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? Well, it's a simple yet powerful concept. It's a form of online marketing where a company rewards one or more affiliates for each visitor or customer brought by the affiliate's marketing efforts. In other words, you, as an affiliate, promote a product or service, and when people make a purchase based on your recommendation, you get a commission. Now let's talk about the role of an affiliate. Imagine you're a connector or a middleman. On one side you have companies with products or services they want to sell. On the other side you have consumers who might be interested in these products or services, but may not know about them yet. Your job as an affiliate is to connect these two sides. You do this by promoting the company's offerings in ways that will reach potential customers. This could be through a blog post, a review video, a social media post, an email newsletter, or any number of other methods. But how do you earn commissions? Well, when you join an affiliate program, you'll be given a unique link or code. This is how the company tracks the customers that come from your promotional efforts. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, the company will know that you were the one who referred them. As a result, you'll earn a percentage of the sale. This commission rate can vary widely depending on the company and the particular product or service. It could be anywhere from a few percent to more than half the sale price. Affiliate marketing is a popular way to make money online because it allows you to earn passive income. Once you've set up your promotional efforts, they can continue to generate income even when you're not actively working on them. Plus, you don't need to create a product or handle customer service. You just need to connect the right people with the right products. With this understanding, we can now see how Muncheye fits into the affiliate marketing world. Getting started on Muncheye is a straightforward process. That's right, folks. No need to stress or fret. All you need is a bit of time, some basic information, and you're good to go. So, let's dive right in. The first step is to head over to the Muncheye website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click that, and you'll be directed to a registration page. Here, you'll be asked for some standard information: your name, email address, and desired password. Make sure to use a valid, accessible email address because you'll need it to verify your account. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, go ahead and click that Register button. Now check your email. You should have received a confirmation message from Muncheye. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Congratulations! You're now officially a member of the Muncheye community. Next, it's time to set up your profile. You'll want to add a profile picture, write a brief bio, and include any relevant social media links. This information helps vendors get to know you and can increase your chances of being approved for product promotion. So make sure to make it professional, yet personable. Now let's talk about payments. Muncheye uses PayPal as its primary payment method. So, if you don't have a PayPal account yet, it's a good idea to set one up. Don't worry, it's easy and free. Once you have your PayPal account, add your PayPal email to your Muncheye profile. This ensures that you'll receive your earnings directly and quickly, so you can say goodbye to waiting for checks in the mail or complicated bank transfers. And there you have it. You're all set up on Muncheye. You're now ready to dive into the world of affiliate marketing and start earning those commissions. Now that we have an account, let's explore how to find products to promote. Because remember, the key to successful affiliate marketing is promoting the right products to the right audience. But we'll get to that in the next scene. Stay tuned! Muncheye is known for its comprehensive list of upcoming product launches. Indeed, the platform's true strength lies in its ability to provide a wide array of upcoming product launches, which you can capitalize on. But how do we navigate this vast sea of opportunities? Let's dive in. Imagine Muncheye as a bustling marketplace with vendors showcasing their products for the grand launch. You, as an affiliate, are akin to a discerning customer, carefully evaluating each product before deciding to endorse it. The first step is to visit Muncheye's homepage. Here, you'll find a calendar displaying upcoming product launches. Each entry corresponds to a different product, with detailed information about its launch date, its price, and the commission you'll earn for each sale. The launch calendar is color-coded to help you quickly identify high-ticket items. Green indicates products priced below $100, while red signifies products priced over $1,000. This color-coded system helps you gauge the potential profitability of a product at a glance. Now let's talk about analyzing these product launches. This is where your acumen as an affiliate comes into play. It's crucial not to get carried away by the allure of high-ticket items alone. Remember, the goal is to promote products that resonate with your audience and are likely to sell. To make an informed decision, click on the product name to access more detailed information. This will take you to a product page containing the vendor's name, a brief description of the product, and the percentage of commission you can earn. Some pages might even provide promotional materials like banners and email swipes, which can be quite handy when marketing the product. Moreover, pay close attention to the vendor's reputation. A vendor with a proven track record of successful launches is more likely to release a product that sells well. Lastly, do a quick internet search on the product and the vendor. Check out reviews, blog posts, or forum discussions to gauge public sentiment. This additional step can often provide valuable insights into the product's potential success. Choosing the right product is key to earning commissions. Remember, as an affiliate, your success hinges on the products you choose to endorse. So take your time, do your homework, and pick wisely. Now that we've chosen a product, the next step is to promote it. This is where you can let your creativity shine and make use of various strategies to get the word out about the product you're endorsing. One effective approach is utilizing social media. Platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are powerful tools for reaching a broad audience. You can create engaging posts about the product, share its benefits, and subtly incorporate your affiliate link. Remember, authenticity is key. Show genuine enthusiasm and conviction about the product to build trust with your audience. Another strategy is email marketing. If you have an email list, you can send out newsletters or promotional emails highlighting the product. Craft compelling subject lines to increase open rates, and ensure your content is engaging enough to motivate your subscribers to click on your affiliate link. Creating content around the product is also a potent way to promote. You can write blog posts or even create YouTube videos reviewing the product, sharing its advantages, and explaining how it works. This not only helps your audience understand the product better, but also establishes you as a trusted expert in the field. Now let's talk about earning commissions. When customers purchase the product through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. The amount you earn varies depending on the product and the terms of the affiliate agreement. Some offer a flat rate per sale, while others offer a percentage of the total sale price. The beauty of this business model is that there's no limit to how much you can earn. The more effectively you promote, the more sales you generate, and the higher your commissions. It's a cycle of success that feeds itself, as long as you keep promoting and your audience keeps buying. Remember, effective promotion can lead to higher sales and more commissions. So pour your energy into creating captivating content, engaging with your audience, and promoting your chosen product. After all, your success in affiliate marketing is directly tied to your promotional efforts. Let's recap what we've learned today. We kicked off with an introduction to Muncheye, a hub for affiliate marketers, where you can find a multitude of products to promote. We then delved into the concept of affiliate marketing, discussing how you can earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Moving forward, we navigated the process of getting started on Muncheye, from setting up an account to understanding the platform's layout. We explored the art of finding and analyzing product launches, highlighting the importance of choosing products that resonate with your audience and have potential for high returns. Our journey continued to the effective promotion of products, where we emphasized the role of compelling content and strategic marketing. The final piece of the puzzle was understanding how you earn your commissions. With these steps, you are well on your way to making money with Muncheye. The journey might be challenging, but the rewards can be fulfilling. Good luck and happy earning.